IGrow Network, let's make the innovative future real. Sometimes everything is very easy to do. But sometimes things start to deteriorate, they do not go as they have. Then there must be a quick decision. It often does not matter if there is a technical or organizational improvement. In particular, there must be improvement. So what does IGrow Network do in this area? Firstly, we divide our cooperation into two main parts. One is focused on providing comprehensive services, typically, design and delivery of complete systems. The second part is focused on partial solutions. This usually involves improving the performance of the production part, optimizing the equipment or assembly process, improving flexibility or the quality of the element. Let's talk briefly about complex services. In this area, we are mainly asked to design and optimize the production plant. However, until we reach the final layout, we have to do a lot of calculations, analyses, and of course, decisions promoting the latest trends. The calculations are always based on the vision and requirements of the customer. The established budget defines, for example, the size of the production hall, the automation rate, the level of equipment, etc. For calculations and analysis, we use the latest tools available, which significantly reduce the output time and provide very interesting outputs, so the customer can verify himself how his plant works in the virtual world. He can simulate different states and thus prepare different strategies for behaving. Our advantage is that our employees have several years of experience in designing production systems. The necessary elements, whether from the point of view of Lean, Industry 4.0, Six Sigma or other tools or concepts, are appropriately implemented. Our solutions so very sensitively take into account the linkage of man and equipment into one large symbiosis which provides the highest performance. Moreover, the name of our company is intentionally composed of two parts. The first part, IGrow, has governing meaning innovation, investment, Industry 4.0, etc. Our solutions must be innovative with adequate return of investments. The second word of the name network describes our links with partners. This makes our network easier to deliver a turnkey solution. Let's take a quick look at the next part, focused services. In this section, it is usually about the exact assignment of the client. Usually, the client wants to solve your problem very quickly. The most common tasks that we address include the correct time standard setting and increased line performance. Even with these tasks, we use tools that increase productivity extremely well. Such tools help team members to quickly understand the need for change, understand what and why they need to change. For most projects, we try to create a combined team that is best suited to internal experience and external knowledge. This link is of great importance to companies. Our experience confirms that the hardest thing is to keep improving. There is a need to root up to 70% effort. That is why we strive to create tools that make it easier for employees to create simple and understandable standards. On this basis, we can combine old and new tools so that the work will become a game. Industry 4.0 allows us to nest into cyber-physical space using new devices. These are becoming increasingly more accessible and mainly communications more helpful. The opportunities to share and use information grow exponentially every year. We therefore use the latest approaches as a standard that we apply further. Augmented reality, smart sensors, big data, artificial intelligence, these are all other things that we implement whether in maintenance, logistics, quality. These activities have created interesting solutions with very interesting benefits. And this we have only touched on only the topics on which we make and which are very interesting to our clients. Of course, we can make a very long presentation about solutions and what we do everything else. We prefer to welcome if we meet together or at least follow us on our website. We are therefore looking forward to the common future cooperation and we thank our clients and employees for the work done so far.